Some time ago, I've made a plaster base for making masks. It is a base that can take not only clay. You may try sculpting with paper mache or even weld a mask over it. You may have seen the process of making of the base. If not, you may have a look later. And the first mask I've made is on this base. It was just dry by the end of the video, so later I glazed it and fired twice, but the metallic shine it was supposed to have was not fully achieved. Therefore I will have to glaze it again and fire at higher temperatures. That will be its fourth sleepover in the kiln. However, after making a mask with regular clay, I wanted to make a few with white clay. I had to wash the base really well because even the dust of the common green clay will be visible on the white clay after firing in form of orange dust, chunks or stain, and that just looks ugly. I wanted to make a mask that would carry the motif of landscape, the karst, all over it, the surface of the rocks eaten by the sea, the small craters it creates. I've always been passionate about making masks and often tried making them as a kid. In 2018, I've made the first terracotta mask and wanted to make a little video to increase sales. After a few scenes, I decided to make a short film with Chernobog, a dark Slavic deity, being the main antagonist. The rest was based on local stereotypes, Morashka sword dance, and much more. Just a handful of people took part, so I had a few roles myself. The alchemist grandfather, the stereotypical grandmother, the evil sister, some background characters, mythological black king who battles Chernobog and occasionally the Chernobog himself. It has become a story of Christian attempt to suppress old beliefs, disagreements between the siblings that tore many local families apart and so on, but mostly reviving old local stories I've found. The movie wasn't fully finished in the end, leaving me with videos scattered across different USB sticks, hard drives and so on. That made me write a new story and start working on new masks.